Today I have a Stitch Fix to unbox with you guys, and this one is a special one that I requested for my Vegas trip that's coming up. So I did ask for some Vegas specific items, so I'm hoping they're going to have something really fun in here. According to the preview, it was not fun at all. I was very disappointed in the preview, and then I left notes stating that's not what I had in mind for Vegas. So let's hope that this one is going to be a little bit better, because I don't know what's in here because I denied everything from the preview. So let's go ahead and get started unboxing this Stitch Fix. So if you are not familiar with Stitch Fix, it is a clothing subscription service, and you do pay $20 for a fix, but if you do purchase anything from the box, that $20 does go toward that. And I also have a referral link. If you want to try Stitch Fix for yourself, for your first box, you can get $25 off, which will cover your styling fee. So that link will be in the description box for you guys. If you want to click on that, check it out, and then you will get $25 off your first box. So this may be my last box until probably spring. I don't really need anything. And this one is a little bit of a smaller one, and I know I did just get a box a few weeks ago, but I wanted to just see what they could do for me for Vegas. So in the box, you do have a letter that is from your stylist and also has everything in there with the pricing sheet. Oh no, I have a new stylist. I'm not sure why I have a new stylist. I liked my other one. Okay, well, I will read her note in just a few moments. And I am not seeing a return package in here. I don't have a label in here for my return package, so I will have to see about that. So let's go ahead and get the bundle out. It is a little bit of a smaller bundle. So here it is, some really pretty colors. I love purple, so I'm love seeing that purple in there. So I do see a print in here, and I do say every time that I don't care for prints too much. I'm very selective on my prints, so I like to pick those out myself. So the first thing is this top. Really pretty with this pleating detail, and the color's gorgeous. Fortune and Ivy, the Bella roll tab blouse in navy. That looks more like a teal to me. So it does have that roll tab, looks like a polyester blend in the front, and that knit material in the back. I get a ton of these, you guys. It seems like that's all Stitch Fix sends me are these. And I do save things for them and do the Style Pass game every day. So I kind of show them a lot of different things that I would like, but it seems like they send me these mixed material blouses a lot. The next thing is from Nine Britain, and it is the Cora Surplus tank in black, but it does have this multicolor. I do like the style of this, but I'm not sure about the print. And then so far, this is the only thing that I'm seeing that is like Vegas inspired. This is a jacket from Mocha. Drape front faux leather jacket in black. It looks very similar to some that I have in my closet though, so I'm not sure. And then this is from Beacon Apparel. It's the Laurelhurst relaxed blouse in purple, size medium. And I do like this. I think I actually have this saved. So I think this was on a clearance. They never send me anything that is on clearance. That's why I do the freestyle a lot, because a lot of my things that I save, I will just keep checking. And a lot of times they go 50 to 60% off. And I think this might have been one of them, but I love this purple color. And then some jeans from Studio Blue, and the tag is flying off of it. It is the Trixie High Rise Extended Waist Wide Leg Jean in indigo, size 8. Nice wide leg, love that. Love a trouser style, so we will see how these fit. They feel like they're really nice and stretchy. So let me go ahead and try all this on. So here is the first look. So these are those trouser jeans. Love them. They almost look like what I just had on from Wit and Wisdom, but these are from, I think, Studio Blue, and I think I've gotten a couple pair from there before. I love the inseam length. I think they're a perfect length for me to be able to wear flats with, which is what I normally wear. I don't mind the way they make my booty look either. They kind of make me look like I have one that's kind of lifted. And I love the dark wash, so love these. These are definitely a yes. I hope they're a good price. And then this top, even though I complain that they send me the same tops over and over, I love this color. It's such a pretty color. And then it's got that pleating detail here in the front with this V-neck. And it does have the roll tab, and then it's got that stretchy material in the back, and then the more dressier style in the front. So I do like this color of this top. It just seems like it's what I've got in my closet from them all the time. Okay, so I did have a new stylist, which I'm kind of upset about because I liked my other stylist, but this one, I don't know. We'll see how she does. I don't know why they changed up my stylist, because I did ask for the same stylist. But this is my 66th Fix. And she does say that she's excited to be able to help me prepare for my Las Vegas trip. So far though, this doesn't look real Las Vegas to me, but we'll hold out on the other things to see about those. So the pants are from the jeans are from Studio Blue. They're $78. And then the top is from Fortune and Ivy, and it is $49. Okay, I was complaining that there was a print in there, but I don't mind this one, I don't think. It's got some red and black and even purple in it. So I don't know. What do you guys think about this print on me? I do like the style. I like that it has that V-neck. It is a sleeveless. It's got that little elastic on the bottom to kind of bubble it up if you want to do that, make it blousier. So it does have the snap right here, and then it has that faux detail. So I'm not sure, though, the way this is going, if this is going to gap as I'm walking or things like that. I don't know. But this doesn't look too bad, I don't think, for a print. And then I'm going to throw the faux leather jacket she sent with it. So literally so far, the only thing that gives me Vegas vibes is this jacket, but I have so much faux leather that just looks so much like this. I don't think I need this. It does have just that front drape. The sleeves, of course, are a little bit long, but I can roll them up because the material will allow that. And that's what it would look like rolled up. I don't know though, you guys. I've got so much like this, even a little bit better faux leather in black. So I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this one or not. I do like the brand. I've got a lot of things from this brand, but I just don't know if I need it. But this does look good with this top. I think this whole outfit kind of looks good together. So the jacket is from Mocha. I think I'm saying that right. Or Mocha. Mocha. I bet it's Mocha. $79. And then the top is from Nine Britain, and it's $45. And then here's the last top. This is that purple top that I actually had saved, and I like it. The color, I just love this color so much. So it's got that V-neck. It has this little slit right here in the front to give it a little bit of character, I guess. And it's a good length. I just love the color. I think this will look so good maybe with a lighter color bottom because it kind of just blends so much with this darker color. So this is from Beacon, and it is on sale for $22.97. Altogether, for everything in this box, all 5 items is $273.97. With the buy all discount, the 25% off is $68.49 off, which makes the total $205.48. And I did get the styling fee waived because it was kind of like a back-to-back box. So $205.48 for everything, which would include that faux leather jacket, these jeans, this top, and another sleeveless top along with that like 3/4 sleeve top. So what do you think, guys? So when I do my Stitch Fix math, it makes me want to keep it all, but I really don't need that faux leather jacket, and it's $79. But then if I kept everything but it, my discount's $68, so I would basically be paying only $11 for that faux leather jacket, but I don't need it. So what do I actually need from here? These jeans are phenomenal. I love these jeans, so I definitely think I want these jeans. And then I love this top. What do you think, guys? What did you like out of this box? Did you think this was a good box? This is my first fix from my new stylist, Sharita, so I do not know. What do you guys think? What I love on here is she says this was an edgy fix. To me, this is not an edgy fix. This did not scream Vegas to me. When I'm looking at this fix and I'm thinking I specifically asked for Vegas-inspired items, I don't see anything Vegas-inspired except that faux leather jacket. This is the second time recently that I've done like a theme box where I've specifically asked for something. I had asked for a Caribbean cruise fix, and I got nothing that looked anything like a Caribbean cruise. So this is the second time like I've asked for a specific to a trip, and I just don't feel like I got anything that was specific to Vegas, but I did get some good things in here. And do you think this one was Vegas inspired? So I think I'm definitely going to keep the pants for sure. They feel really nice. They're just so comfortable on the waistband. And this purple top, I just have to have this purple top. It's on sale for $22, so definitely going to keep these two, but I think I may send everything else back. So I hope that you've really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And then I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.